Hey guys, this is HP DESKJET 3755 series. I'm going to show you how to scan document from this printer to your computer. To scan your document, you need to stick the document you want to scan on top of the glass scanner. The scanner for this printer is right here. So you need to stick the document you want to scan on top of the scanner. Make sure the information facing up. So go to your laptop and select scan from the HP Smart app. Select scan. So select source. So the source is showing us feeder. So this is document feeder. Then select preset as document. Page size as A4 paper. Output, want to scan this colored. Resolution, the maximum is 600, is currently in 300 dpi. Then select scan. So this is the document we scanned. I'm happy with this. If you want to scan the second one, then you stick the document again and select plus to add on another one. Select scan. And we got, so this is the second document we scanned. Now this document, if you want to print it out or save this document, then select save. First of all, select save. Then select PDF. Select save. Then you select where you want this document to be saved. Want to save this document in the download section. You can save it in the picture. You can also give the document name for you to remember it. So if you go to the download, then you select save. You can also give the document name. Select save. It will show you your file has been saved. If you want to print this document out, you select print. Print. You select portrait or landscape. If you select landscape, the document will be a lot bigger. It will change in the landscape, so you can see how it looks in the landscape. But you want to print this in portrait. Now the size is A4 paper. Then full page, 1 photo per page. Output is normal. How many copies? If you select more option, it give you option for you to select print on both sides. Print on both sides, long edge. Then you select OK. Then select print. Now this document is printing. Then you take this document, put it back, and select continue. From your laptop, select continue, so that it will print out the second part. Here we go. So this document we scanned, printed out, double-sided, colored. This document we scanned. You can also share this document to somebody. If you want to share this document, then you select share. Select share. Select PDF. Then it will show you options for you to share this document via email or WhatsApp or phone links. So select Outlook. Then you type the email address of the person you want to send this document to. So from the list, you select the email address of the person you want to send this document to. The document is attached to my inbox. Then you type the message, hi. Once you type the message, hi, then you select send. The document is sending. The document is sent to my inbox. So this is how to scan your document, print it out. Likewise, save this document to the computer and also share this document to somebody. If you're happy with this tutorial, please do me a favor, like, share, and subscribe. It helps the channel. Thank you very much indeed, and stay blessed. Thank you.